The easier it's getting to create a voice AI agents as more and more platforms are being released every day, the difficult it getting for you to actually sell a voice AI agent. But we can tackle this with a really easy experience created for your customers. Let's see an example.
Just imagine this is your own SaaS landing page where your customer would come in and get a voice agent. And so they will come here and then just review your page, all very smooth and premium, and then they will click on get started free. And here they will enter their business name and their website. Now what I'll do, I'll just find, I don't know, a plumbing company, for example, and let's see these guys. So I'm just gonna take them. Let's say this is the customer that is in your local area, and then they came into your website. So I'm just gonna paste their website name. I'm just gonna say helping hand plumbing and click continue. Now this is your SaaS, which will do all the website verifications. Now it shows the details that it could find from the website automatically. Now your customer is happy that is able to find the website for their website, and then they click continue setup. Now it asks about some of the details, click continue. Again, your SaaS landing page is now able to identify the website as a plumbing website, then click continue. Now it says train Sarah with your business knowledge. So Sarah is your voice agent that you are selling, and I'm just gonna use the same website just for the knowledge base, but of course your customer can also upload a knowledge base. And here the business customer will set the Sarah's greeting message.
Sarah calling from Helping Hand Plumbing.
That's great.
How can I help you?
That looks good. And then we click continue. And here we are setting up how Sarah would collect what information that this AI receptionist would collect for the business, which is Helping Hand Plumbing Limited. And maybe for now, I'm just going to keep all default and then click continue. Now here, interestingly, if this business need or have their own appointment link, they can update it there as well. Maybe just use the website and just say meeting with me. Of course, it's not a valid URL. And they can also enable SMS notification. And then click on continue to summary. And as you can see, the customer will see all of the plan details. They will see that they're getting 50 free credit to try their agent, and they will see all the plans that you have, and then they will click deploy. And once your customer have deployed, he will get the screen that Sarah is ready. Please log into dashboard. Now customer, I go and try and log into the dashboard. I'm just gonna use my email address, and then if I head to my email, I'm gonna see that I got a password here. Now this is all using an agency brand, and I'm just going to use the password, click login. Now of course this is the first time, so I just need to verify this email. So I should get another, I'm just going to click that, and this is verified. So if I go and try login again, now it's asking me to change my password, of course, because this is a system generated password. So I'm just going to do a quick password. So this is like, as a customer, I have now set my own password, not the system generated password, and now I am logged in. Now as soon as I logged in, you'll see something that has happened. So as a customer, now I see I have been given 50 AI credits, and there is really nothing else that I can see in this board, right? Now here's what, as an agency owner, you would do. Remember I said at the start, this is your own SaaS. So as the agency owner, you would get a email that there is a new agent deployment request rather, and it says about the business name, it says about email address, and it says also send you a deployment guide. Now this is exactly the deployment guide that I'm discussing here is written here. As you click, you will see the deployment guide there. Now so I'll go to the partner portal, of course, or the agency portal rather, and here you would go to the customer list into the active customer, and you would see that this is the new customer who have just signed up from your SaaS portal. Now here, if you go to the deployments tab, you can just click on the phone number provision, and here you can select a phone number. Now of course I don't have a phone number yet, right? So as an agency owner, I need to get a phone number. So I'll go to the phone number tab, I'll click import phone number, select Twilio, click next, and I will give the account SID and auth token from Twilio. Now I'm gonna quickly go there and copy that. Twilio credentials that you would usually get as soon as you get into the Twilio account, then you are able to select all the phone numbers from there. Now I'm gonna select the first one and just import this number. Now, as an agency owner, you have now imported your own Twilio number. Now it's time to create the AI agent. But before we do that, what we're gonna do, we want to just go back here and in the deployments, we're just gonna select phone number provisioned again. And this time it shows the phone number. We're just gonna assign this number and save it. Now, as soon as we do that, what happens is in your SaaS portal, your customer would now see the phone number that is assigned to his business and what stage of this AI agent is being deployed. Now, next, we are going to create the AI agent. Again, we go to manage AI agent and click on retail agent, and we'll click create a new agent. Here we select the customer. This is Helping Hand Plumbing. And we can see that the knowledge base is already created. This is based on the website URL that the customer have provided during the onboarding. And here we have to use a retail API key. So I'm just going to go there in retail and just copy an API key. This could be your own retail account. If you do not have one, there should be a link in this particular page that you can use to register yourself and get a $10 free credit as well. And then the best part is you'll click on here, browse template, and you will see an AI receptionist template that's already created for you. You can click preview and you can see all about this and just cancel it and then click apply. As soon as you click apply, everything is already set. All I'm just going to do is just change this name, and I'm just going to say Helping Hand Plumbing. This is just for data reference and just for really organizing it properly. And then we can click this button, fetch greetings, and this will fetch the exact greetings that the customer had provided during the onboarding. And same thing, we need to know what customer have provided in the onboarding. So if you click on fetch voice,
Helping
that
customers.
will fetch the exact voice that customer have selected during the onboarding process. And then you go to advanced tab. You can change if you want. I would say that's not really required. You don't need to change anything. Just maybe do a quick review. I would generally turn this on because that makes the communications more realistic. And you can also set some ambient sound because this is we are for plumbing company. I might just set coffee shop or something. It's not again mandatory. You can entirely skip it. Then go to function call, and you will see that 2 functions calls are already added automatically. But just to view everything, click the settings and you see that there is an send email notifications. I'm just going to click send both user and customer. Turn this off. You can keep at it, everything as default, but I'm just gonna set this function call is basically to tell the customer when their user picks up their user calls and the agent picks up the call. So this is only to let the business know that here in this case the plumbing business owner will get notifications in their email that their agent have actually picked up the call for their user. So that's just it. So save function call, and then here in the send SMS settings, same thing, nothing you have to select. Maybe select an so because in this case your customer during onboarding have provided a meeting link, then that's why I'm just selecting meeting booking link, and then we just again disable everything and save function call and just review everything. All looks good. Your knowledge base is selected. This knowledge base you can view what is it there, and you can see this is the exact website that your customer have entered. So that's great. Review everything here as well as a final step. It will show you everything. Yep, all looks good. I'm just gonna click create agent. Now your agent is created, it's assigned to the customer. That's all well and good. Now we will go back to the customer and again click on deployment tab, and this time we are just gonna select the agent and assign agent. As soon as you do that, what happens really in the backend is the number that you have assigned in this previous step is now being mapped with this particular agent that you have created. That's it. And as soon as you do that, now if you go back to the customer view, and this is the plumbing company view, now they see that this agent is deployed. And again from the agency side, now we set that this is now ready for testing. Save it, and as soon as that happens, then your customer, which is the plumbing company, now see this screen where they can try the agent, they can deploy to their business, and it will be all good. So let's try the agent. So let's think that this is gonna be the customer.
Sarah speaking from Helping Hands. How can I help?
Hey Sarah, just checking you're alive and you're fine.
Yes, I'm here and ready to assist you. Is there something specific I can help you with
Thank you,
today?
bye. So that's what I have tested. It's all working good. And now I will say deploy for my business. So now I'm being the customer. I click that and then I said set up call forwarding. At this stage, now I'm ready as a plumbing company to use this AI receptionist for my business. Now this is the number, and now I live in UK, and I'm gonna select maybe E as my provider, and I click on generate forwarding code, and I get this forwarding code created by the app. So all I have to do is have to get my phone. So that's just my phone. So I'm gonna use actually two phones here. One, this phone I'll use as a user calling this plumbing company, and this phone is, for example, as a plumber, the plumbing company's phone. So here what we'll do, I'll just go to the call pad, and I'm just gonna type the exact same details that's been written here, which is *61* and then +4 7360 544 557 *15# hash. It is asking me to select a SIM, and I think I'm gonna select the first one. Actually, let me show you here. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna select SIM 1. So now it's all started. Now what I'll do, I will make a call to this number. So I will make a call to this number as a user, and we will see if the agent is able to pick up and receive the call. So I'm just gonna use that. And what's my number? I think this is the one. So here I'm calling, and here is coming this number, and I'm not gonna pick this up. I'm just let it gonna unanswered, and I'll see what happens.
How can I help?
Hi Sarah, is the business open now?
Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We're currently closed, but I can help you with any inquiries or take your contact details so our team can follow up with you. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Avijit.
I have your phone number so our team can contact you when we're back in business.
Don't you see my phone number as I'm calling you?
I can see you're calling from +44.
Yeah, that's right. And there you go. I got the SMS.
Thank you for contacting Helping Hands. If there's nothing else, have a wonderful day.
Right. And so, as you can see, this phone being the business phone, I haven't picked it up, and then it automatically picked up by the Voice AI agent, and it also sent me a meeting link over the SMS. And the best part is, if I just go back to my email address again, here you will see that the agent have also sent the business owner the email with the details of the call, like Avijit have called during closed business hour, partial information collected, and then it has sent subsequent details about, as it has got more details, as you can see, and it also recommended the next step. So this is all the AI agent have done. Now the interesting bit also is that now, as a plumbing business, I can now go back to my portal, which is here, and if I do like a refresh, you will see that this call is now recorded. So I can just go to call history, and I can see all of the details, call summary, when the call was made, who called, when called, and everything else. This is really powerful. I know this, you may feel like this is a very simple use case, but this is what exactly business needs, right? And the best part is, whatever I've shown you, the entire experience, this is going to be part of our SaaS tier that's upcoming, where everything will be automated. Even if I've shown you some of the steps where as an agency owner you have to click and do deploy, that would be like automated as part of SaaS tier. The SaaS portal, as well as the functionality wise, whatever I've shown you, is now available in Knotie AI Pro. The best part is you can actually get started for free and test out the portal and some of the features with a free trial. And if you're really interested in having access to this portal and whatever I've shown you, and you think that this could be beneficial to expand your business or into an AI agency, or you want to start your AI agency, go get the free access to Knotie AI Pro, and you will get a meeting link within the portal. Use that, book a meeting with us, and explain your situation, explain your vision, and maybe we'll be able to help you with some of the offer that we are planning to run for this Black Friday, where we will give out some of the members an one-time limited offer deal that will also include this particular SaaS tier that I've just shown you and all the functionality. So that's really it I wanted to show in this video. I really hope this has given you some sense of how to sell voice AI agents, how easy it is to sell voice AI agents with Knotie AI Pro. With that said, I'm going to end the video. I'll see you on to the next one.